Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 GL 550 4MATIC. This one's a palladium silver metallic. Underneath it's a 4.7 V8 with 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one has 21-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, accessory chrome package with chrome door handle inserts and chrome hood fins. Black MB Tex interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim, panorama sunroof, rear climate controls, rear heated seats, third row seating. GL 550 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, trailer hitch, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, driver's assistance package with blind spot assist, lane keep assist, pre-safe, Distronic Plus, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center. This GL has 41,971 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GL 550 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.